Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis. First day of trading week, Monday. After the NFP week, we see that a bit of very dramatic movement in the market. Expected to be a bit of bearish on gold, but we see that after, in fact, the market open, we have seen initial drop as expected, and then we have seen the market has made significant bullish momentum to the upside. And the way the market is heading is really we might see primarily a trend here. And so from the multi-time frame, if you look at the weekly chart, we have seen back-to-back 2 weeks gold was in a pullback. So if it is starting its long-term trend, we might see that again creating a new higher high. So I will be looking at, first of all, overall picture in the market before we look for any entry opportunity. Before I begin full analysis and looking for the traders, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So let me know if you have any question, and if you are here, let me know that you are here. Say yes so that I know exactly you're here. Suresh, welcome. Ashwin, good morning and good afternoon. Lubasi, good morning. Thank you very much. Matlim, welcome to the live session. Guys, give a thumbs up and also let me know that you are present so that I can start the full in-depth analysis of the market. And if we look at first of all, let me look at the gold bigger picture. Multi-time frame is the key, because when you look at the multi-time frame analysis, you can see that this market in fact showing significant trend, and this kind of trending market is good to trade, because when the market trends, it becomes easy to predict, to trade in the major direction of the flow. So let's look at, first of all, the highest time frame, monthly. Why? Because monthly, weekly and daily will give you a bit of clear direction, removing the noise on the lower time frame, and then we can look at the lower time frame for any kind of entry opportunity. Now, if I look at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that from the monthly, this is the monthly support, and in the past the price tested this support and has got a bounce from this level. So far the bulls still showing significant dominance in the market. Why? Because very simple. Why is also very important, because when you look at from a very curious perspective, that's where you started to learn. Our brain is very good at learning, so you have to be very curious, because when you are curious, according to research, those who have a high level of intellectual curiosity does good in trading. So if you are be a good trader, profitable trader, then must remain curious and asking more and more questions. So why we see that gold is bull is because if you look at the previous monthly candle, there is a long wick at the top and there is a healthy body in it, and this monthly candle is, as a rule of thumb, it's a bullish candle. So the market should go up and fill that long wick at the top on the monthly on gold, and with that filling of that wick is a high probability that gold might go up and fill that wick, but it might not go straight away because it needs liquidity. Okay, so this is what also we'll be discussing in this live session. Guys, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you very much. Matlim, welcome. Omar Ali, good morning. Martlin, Jeffrey, good morning. Duka, Brandon, welcome. Brandon, Miles Production, good morning. Thank you very much. Lofty, good morning. Welcome. Everyone here. Baga from UK, welcome. Welcome from UK. Imamon, hi from Nigeria. Good morning. Jamaica, yes. Henry, welcome. Good morning, traders. Let's keep the likes bounced with our count. Learn and learn. Yep, absolutely. That's the main slogan here. Fukong, good morning, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, so we see that good number already here. Thanks for joining the live session. Absolutely, you'll love this live session. I'm sure that because here you will be learning the real trading with the proper analysis. So make sure you pay full attention, take notes if you need it, because when you set an intention to learn and grow, your growth become multiplier. Guys, keep in mind, this is the missing piece of the puzzle. So make sure that you set intention to learn, because when you set intention, your brain become hyper focused. So how do you set intention? Intention creates everything. So once you set intention that, okay, I want to learn from here, I want to give my full to become profitable trader, and that's where you set intention. And when you set intention, things become much easier for you. So if you look at the monthly support on gold, this is where we can see the market has made a move and it's showing still bullish pressure. So let's jump onto the weekly now. So weekly is bullish. Now if you look at here, this is the weekly impulse, very narrow correction with only one red candle here, followed by another weekly impulse, followed by two weekly red candles. Now this is a very important pattern that you can look at, that there is only small correction, bigger correction. So we might see another wave. So if you look at the from the Elliott wave perspective, that wave 1, then the wave 2, and then the wave 3 could be new higher high, or could be at least equal high before dropping deeper. So there is a probability for gold for long-term picture to be remain bullish. Now let's look at the daily chart here. Now looking at the daily chart, here is the doji. Now this is a bit of complicated here, because we saw that the gold was creating series of lower high in the daily time frame. Okay, so you see that series of lower high, creating series of lower high on the daily. Now with that series of lower high creation, what we can see that the market has made, this is a series of lower high here, and now for the first time the price is going to hit that daily resistance level. So this is the daily resistance here, and expecting gold to go up and retest. I think we might see that now, because it's going to hit that level, hit the daily resistance. We could see that the market is forming a long wick candle or penetration to the upside. So locally we might see a bit of upside here. So now jumping back to very lower time frame, 15-minute chart, here is it's maintaining a bullish market structure. We saw that with the market open, when the market open, it has broken below and tested this support. After testing this support, so this is you can see that this is a support here, resistance here, and also support here. So with this support retest on gold and has made significant move, pull back to the liquidity zone, and again it's trying to bounce back towards the upside. So with that in mind, what we can expect on gold now for the local time frame, that means the lower time frame, these are very important level of support that we will be looking to see in the short term perspective to retest and then to give us potential entry opportunities. So 4 hour also, this is a 4 hour support. There is bullish possible bullish momentum approaching this trend line, this resistance. From that we could see that the price is moving back and then bouncing to the upside to create a new higher high. So there is a probability for the price to come and then to retest. So this is an important level of support. Below this level there is a liquidity, and also below this level there is a liquidity. So we will be waiting for, already we see the 15 minutes 2 liquidity candle formation. At this point it's at the top. We buying from here will be a bit of risky. We want to see that it managed to break below. Lower time frame has formed a strong trend before we look for entry opportunity. So the 5 minutes we see that there is a local bullish trend, and every time it's maintaining series of higher high and higher low, and the market is trending. The market is trending with a strong momentum. Okay, so what we can see that the price is heading towards the upside and with a momentum. So any kind of pullback to this liquidity zone, we will be looking for entry. So this is an intraday support that we will be looking for entry. So intraday support and liquidity zone. So intraday support and liquidity zone, we will be waiting for any kind of entry here in that zone. So let's see how the price is reacting, and based on that we will be looking for entry on the lower time frame. And let me know if you guys are here. Thanks for joining the live session. Jaka, good morning from Nigeria, welcome. Jof, good morning. Abdullah, good morning sir. Dubai, welcome, thank you for joining. How about selling from 2018 to 2019? Selling from 2018 to 2019. Look, this is what a very important, Duka, this is a very important point that everyone I think needs to hear, that is as a trader, how we make trading decision and how to process that decision. See, it's very easy for us to make a judgmental error when we are opening the position, because see, if we, let's say, decide about a trade that either we will be opening buy or sell, this decision comes from many places that we need to understand. Okay, it might come from an emotional place, it might come from unknown information that we just have heard of on the news or somewhere, or it might come from a very logical reason for buying or selling in the market. So this thing is absolutely important as a trader, is because when we decide about the buy or sell, we need to see specific set of criteria to be fulfilled, right? This is the prerequisite or the most important part of being a trader. let's say when you say I will buy from here or sell from here, there must be a specific requirement to make it happen. So can you explain 2018, 2019, what could be the reason that you want to sell? So it's important that you know exactly why you are selling. And then I will be explaining what's also other ways that you can analyze and understand it. And in the meantime, traders, I see that almost 100 view, but the likes are nearly to 1/5. So I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. Thanks for that. And also write down on the live chat your opinion on that. Good morning. Thank you very much. Okay, good morning. Jackie, hello, good morning. Morning from Romania. Welcome. Very good. Well, I watched some of your videos. If you can make some dollars today, we'll make you my mentor. Okay, unfortunately, I can't guarantee. Even if you don't make me my mentor, I cannot guarantee that I can make you some dollar today. But I can give you the right information that I can assure you. When the market will give me dollar, yeah, we'll make together. If not, then we will not. So let's see now with that of the question that Jaka has done. Ask, so you want to sell at 2018 and 2019. Okay, so if we look at that 2018 or 2019, now look, when we open a position, let me give you an example of what I mean by that. So if you look at this is the euro dollar 1 hour chart. Now probably you guys have seen during the NFP in our previous NFP session. So when there was NFP, we had a big trade on euro. Let me bring that up so that you exactly know that why we are it's why it is important that you have a specific set of rules to know that when the market is heading and how to enter the trade. Now this is the euro dollar trade. This is the 1 hour chart if you look at, and this is also the trade that I have sent out in the VIP Telegram channel to all the members with only 7 pip stop loss on euro USD. And this is VIP trade that I have sent out to the VIP Telegram channel for the Academy members. So now if you look at here, let's turn on the liquidity candle indicator. Now this is the candle that I have opened by. Now why did I call for this trade from this candle? Because I have a specific set of rules here. This candle is my rule candle. That means that this candle is telling me that your strategy rule is fulfilled. Now you can go long. Now let's say when the price was here, I never will be able to tell that okay, I will be buying from 1.0757 or I will be selling from 1.0757 because I don't know what the price will do when the price will be there. So this is the most important part. Yes, if you have any kind of strategy, for example, let's say you have a strategy, okay, your strategy is just if you sell or buy from key level, okay, that's a different strategy, but I don't use that strategy. I use the strategy that confirms me after a candle close. So it's important that when you are entering, you know exactly what is the rules of that strategy that you are trading. That's the key to become fully grounded and not taking decision based on emotion or based on any kind of a rumor or anything like that. In the market it happens sometime, there's some rumor may come and you might think of okay, the market might be going, the news has come out to be this way. So there is always something that you can find the information that is sometimes called also in trading psychology term, also it's sometimes called confirmation bias. Let's say if you are on a buy trade on gold as an example, and or maybe you are on a sell trade on gold, but the gold trend is completely to the upside. So what happened is that because our emotion is is to gold to drop, because let's say I'm on a buy trade or sell trade and I'm on a drawdown, so I dyingly wanting to gold to drop or badly wanting gold to drop, and gold is going up. So because my emotion is to convince myself that gold will drop to hold the trade, so we started to find a reason to hold that trade by thinking that gold will drop, and we find a reason behind it. Sometimes it's maybe a simple reason. On the news you saw that gold, someone said something and you think that gold will drop. Even watching the live session, you might see that I have said something that there might be drop, and you might be taking it literally because of this is called the confirmation bias. So to eliminate all of them, one must have a clear set of rules and also a trading plan, which is very important. Now if you don't have a trading plan, I have a free giveaway trading plan. You can find below this video in the description. So if you go to the description of this video below, you can find a downloadable free trading plan. This is a demo trading plan. I would recommend you to right now to download it and then use it to rewrite it for yourself. There is a risk management component in it. There is objective that you can rewrite for yourself. Also there are some set of rules. It's not a strategy, but it's a trading plan you can rewrite. It's a format that you can follow to understand what it takes to write a trading plan. So you can do that. Download it below this video in the description for free. So now let's see on gold that we are talking about. Now for me, so far we see that gold is showing bullish price action at the moment. I wouldn't think of selling anything unless we see complete reversal and change of trend. But at the moment I will be waiting for a local breakdown to any of this support or any of this liquidity zone, then we might be able to find bullish opportunity on gold. Now in the meantime, thanks for joining the live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you. Top of the moment from Ireland. Welcome. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Can break previous high. Yeah, this could be. It's a key. You're correct. Gold is moving to continue to uptrend. However, I believe there might be no pullback and shoots up immediately. What do you think, Jackie? Yes, gold is in an uptrend, but even I wouldn't say that it's gonna directly shoot to the upside, because also that's depending on future. The only thing that I would say that gold is in an uptrend currently on the local time frame. If it breaks below, okay, to any of this zone, then we'll be looking for going long. And because there is one probability for bigger move when the market merges with the long-term uptrend. So if you see the market moves with a long-term uptrend, that's where you see the bigger flow in the market, because normally institutional trader, bigger investor, they follow the trend. So the trend is very important. So if you look at that, this market following a long-term uptrend, then yeah, definitely we'll be looking on that. Hi coach, thank you very much, appreciate. Is this session going to be daily basis, Patrick Jones? Yes, absolutely. This session every Monday to Friday, twice. Also there will be another one in New York session. So every Monday to Friday and also we have VIP Zoom class in the academy over the weekend, as well as we might add more classes to explain the strategy, to explain the liquidity and everything that we are teaching in the academy. So yeah, at the same time, if you haven't yet on the academy, we have few spots left. I would recommend you to consider. So if you go below this video in the description, you can find link to visit the website and then click join now button. Then you will be able to join and access our academy. But as I mentioned, we might pause for some time for the members joining, because we already have quite a number of members. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate all of your support to the academy and the channel. And I want to ensure that we can maintain the high standard of education as well as the trading quality that we are currently doing more than what we expected, and we want to keep it up. So still we have few spots left. You can find link below this video in the description. That is a funny condition. Don't focus on the dollar. You may that is a funny condition. What's that? Don't focus on the dollar. You will made by copying coach's trade, but focus on thank you, coach, for this. You always going me courage. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Hello, coach. What's your analysis on GJ currently? Yeah, so we'll be looking at GJ. We'll jumping on the next on Gbpusd. So yeah, just here. Please give please live chat for Gbpusd. I will be looking at that Gbpusd. Please, yeah, absolutely. Good morning, my coach William from South Africa. Thank you. Welcome South Africa in the house with the coach from. Yeah, good morning. Thank you very much. Big guys in the market. They create the trend. We join. What do you mean the join in the trend, sir? So Rahul, big guys in the market, they create the trend and we join. So what do you mean by the join in the trend, sir? Did I say joining the trend or did I say joining the academy? I think that joining the trend means like probably, I don't know what I said, but I shouldn't have said joining the trend. Trading with the trend. Probably I said about joining the academy. Anyway. So trading with the trend. Two liquidity candle on $CAD on 4 hour. So two liquidity candle on $CAD on 4 hour. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Yeah, we see that there is one here. This is a powerful liquidity candle. There is one here. All of them worked out. Now we might see another formation. This candle is still not closed. And there's one here. So all of this worked out. This one also liquidity candle. Quite a few of them. So $CAD also doing very well. Buy from 20 to 94. Okay, so let's this is the okay, we see that gold is just doing there. Let's see. So we see a bit of drop on gold. I would like to look at now Gbpusd. Okay, so thanks for that. We as retail trader trade with the trend created by big boys or banks. Yes, absolutely. So this is what when you are in trading, then you started to learn that concept. Okay, you started to learn that thing. Okay, we see on Gbpusd there is a bullish candle formation. So GBP there was a liquidity grab here, and it's so we might see that a bit of rejection, but waiting for further confirmation. So if we look at here, so okay, I would like to go long on GBP/JPY. Stop loss below this low, so it will be only few pip stop loss with on 2 to 1 reward to risk. So there will be around here 12 pip stop loss on GBP/JPY, 12 pip stop loss at 192.95. So I'm long on GBP/JPY, and TP target is 193.33 at the moment, and we might readjust it if needed. For the time being, let's see if we see that rejection on GJ. So around 13 pip stop loss. So I will be updating you what I'm doing on that. So I'm long on GJ, expecting it to bounce. I will be also explaining the trade behind the logic and reasons, so make sure that you stick till the end of this live session. So waiting for GJ to break to the upside and to give us some peep here, starting of the day with a couple of profitable trade. And in the meantime, trader, join the free Telegram channel, link below this video in the description. So GBP/JPY, if we look at also the 1 hour candle, so from the 1 hour also you see that there is a bit of rejection here. So if we see that this 1 hour candle is closing as a long wick doji, then expecting it to remain bullish. This is a very strong bullish market structure from 30 minutes and from 15 minutes. So from 15 minutes, a bit of bearish rejection. Come on. got a rejection. So from 30 minutes, so we might see further downside or multiple rejection, but let me wait to see. It might just grab another liquidity and could bounce because it's a very important liquidity zone. So it's pushing high again. Now if we see that Gbpusd, so going back up, going back up, okay, so it failed to create a higher high. Now it is finding that imbalance in that direction. So let's see if it's getting rejection to the upside again. We might exit at entry if it is going back up. If it is going back up, we will be exiting at entry, and then we will be re-entering again with another entry, or maybe we will be looking for another one. So far still probability to go up on GJ. Okay, so we need just to wait to see how the market is evolving. Let's look at in the meantime what's happening with the gold. Now gold has formed, this is the 5-minute chart, also another the same price action like the GJ. We see that on gold also similar kind of bullish price action, but now in case of gold, we might see this one also might be dropping below this level for deeper liquidity gap. Just need to wait to see how the market is reacting. Thank you for abundance of knowledge, sir. Yeah, thank you for that. Said the banks trade with the trend. Yes, all the institutional trader, banks and everyone trades like for those who are bigger investors, hedge funds, institutional trader that trade with the trend. So don't see the trading plan. You should be able to see if you go below this video, then you will find that on a Google Docs there is a downloadable format that you can use. So GJ might keep pushing down. So this one might be not holding. We might see bearish pressure. So still I'm on the trade. Very interesting. Let's see if it is bouncing. Okay, so it's still on the trade, and very interesting. Okay, expecting it to return because it just has got a rejection from here. Now I'm still on the trade. So what I will be doing here is as soon as it will enter into the profit zone, I will be exiting the trade because the way it formed, it might go up. So you'll be waiting for the price to get in the profit zone, and then we'll be jumping out of the trade. Here is a bit of a stronger liquidity grab, so we will be holding it for a couple of pips profit, and then we will be looking to see how it is doing. Okay, so let's keep holding it, and that's very interesting price action. Let's hold it. Are you guys with me? Are you guys still on the trade? So it's now nearing to the entry. That's sometime very interesting happen. So what is your profit on Euro USD, coach? That was a big one. That was a big one. So are you guys with the GJ trade holding it? Thank you very much. Good morning. Please go to the gold and you will open. I said, do you know London close is due to national holiday? Gbpusd will move up just few minutes before the London opens. Okay, very good prediction. Okay, so now here we can see that GJ is just heading to the upside, and okay, now it's a bit of situation that I want to see that it has gone up again because it breaks GJ. Yeah, thank you, welcome. Okay, now because it grabbed again, broken that low, grabbed the liquidity. Now chances for going up to create a new higher high is higher. So I want to see that it's happening. Let's see. We are nearing the entry. So I'm nearing at entry. Okay, so it's now going near to the profit zone. Okay, it's going near to the profit zone, and that's very interesting price action. So we want to see that it managed to break. Okay, so what I will be doing, guys, I'm running a little bit in profit because there is a 5 minutes candle close. Let's see, we will be keeping or we will be closing out of this trade. Yeah, I want to exit from this trade at the moment because it already dropped. So we might see upside here, but this trade I want to take out because it didn't move as expected to the bullish, so it might try to return back again. So I am exiting the Gbpusd before it drop again. I will be re-entering because it might drop back again. So I'm out of GJ because it didn't move as expected. So it might just now trend or it might go back down again for another liquidity grab. So I am out with GJ break even. So I'm out with GJ break even, and we will be re-entering again. So in another instrument. So make sure that you guys are staying here and sticking to the live session. So the way I consider break even, let me give you an idea about the trade management. So if any trade nearly hitting the profit stop loss, in majority of the time I exit them in break even. So if I see that a trade almost hit the stop loss but didn't hit, has gone up to the entry, I normally don't keep that trade running anymore because you see it's now coming back again. So it might now come back again for another retest. So we will be re-entering, but it might go up or it might come back again for another liquidity. We'll be re-entering. Let's look at what's happening with gold here, and also we will be looking at some other pairs as well. Let's see. Now gold trend is locally, we can see an upside. Okay, and with this upside bias, if we see the market has broken below to any of this liquidity zone, we can look for entry. Gold, we already analyzed the chart. You can see this is a local bullish move from the 1 hour chart. Also it might come for a deeper pullback. So 4 hour candle, this is the intraday support, 4 hour support, which is the 2309 level. So if it is coming near to that level 2309, we can look for entry. Okay, so this is there is a double bottom here, a big breakout. So that's a high liquidity zone, 2308, 2309. Also there is a 30 minutes 20 EMA. If gold is dropping to that zone, it's a very important area. At the moment it's at the top, so I would like to see a bit more time. Gbpusd, I will be looking at that. Please go to gold. We will open position based on your analysis. Well, thanks for that, but until we see position, let's wait. Now Gbpusd, we can see it's now moving in that, so I just have got exit and we'll be waiting for further entry opportunity. Once we find that, let's keep eye on gold to see. Also we will be looking at the GBP USD pairs. At the moment, gold is in a zone where we might see deeper pullback. It's on a resistance zone. You see there's a couple of candles in the past got a very strong rejection, so we will be looking to that. Here is the important support, and 5 minutes candlestick pattern on gold. This is a two-way situation. It might be bearish, might be bullish. It might come back for a deeper read. You see, this is an order block here on gold at 23.09, and there is an imbalance in that area. If you closely look at, you can find that on the 5 minutes. So this is a support, back to back 3 rejection here, and the market was trending and we saw a rejection in that area. So with that rejection, what we have seen, that after forming triple bottom, market has bounced with multiple liquidity grab. So at the moment what we can see, that there is a triple top formation. So with this triple top formation, if we see that the market has made significant trend, we can look for entry. But at the moment, it's always best to wait to see how the market is evolving in that area. Getting into a trade is easy, okay? So it's always a good idea to wait for clear confirmation, because if you are trading for some time, you know that it's very easy to get confused with the price action. Even experienced trader get confused sometime. Entering late or entering early, timing is very important. Entering late or entering early is very common. So when gold hold the zone, can you buy which zone? No, there is no superficial level that we can think of. Okay, if hit that, we will be buying. We need to see that price action confirmation. That's the key here. Okay, so the most important part here is, see, there is something that I'll tell you that will change the way you look at the market, guys. Please pay attention. Is that when you look at the market, the only information that you can see on the market, what do you see? What's happening? You are sitting inside your house or office, or even in the train, bus, or in a dating restaurant with your boyfriend or girlfriend. The only thing that you have in the information that you have is a chart, and in that chart what you have is candlestick pattern, nothing else, right? You can't see anything else what's happening on the other side. So this candlestick pattern is the only information that you can use. In fact, this is only the information you need. The reason is, this candle will tell you a lot of story if you know how to read the story behind the candle. So how do you read the story behind the candle? Very important. So the way you can read the story behind the candle is by knowing why the way the candle is forming is the way it is forming, okay, which is very important. All right, so Now let me see what's happening with the gold. Here it might be forming multiple rejection. Still not there. Okay, I would like to open here a sell trade on gold with a very tight stop loss. It's a scalping trade. Make sure you do proper risk management. Only 14 pip stop loss above this doji 2314 on gold, and I'll be explaining later reason behind the trade. TP target will tell you later. First, I sold gold in that area. So I have opened sold and it started to drop as soon as I open. And TP target is here. TP target is at 2310. So TP target at 2310.53. So I have sold gold, and which is a bit of rejection. This is a very tight entry. So stop loss at 2314.69 or 70. And I will be explaining later why I have opened. First, let's secure some PEEP here on gold. And in the meantime, traders, if you're enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. And in addition to that, if you want to join our recommended broker, also you can find link below this video in the description, or I can share with you the link. You can use that link to register and then you can start trading. So I have shared with you the link in the live chat. You can click and register and then fund your account to start trading. Okay, so let's see now here what I'm expecting gold to have a rejection. So the TP target set at this liquidity zone, which is at 2310.53. Now gold has formed triple rejection at the top, and also I will be explaining later why I have opened the trade. Let's first see if it is breaking that support that I'm expecting. It's a very tight stop loss, so make sure that you are not taking a big risk. I took only 13 pip stop loss on gold. It's a very tight. Now unless it's going for another liquidity grab, should be able to see that rejection. We see rejection is happening. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you are with me. Give a thumbs up if you are with me. If you are not with me, also give a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content. Yesterday also have posted a very important lesson. Once you subscribe to the channel, go to the playlist where you can find invaluable lessons that definitely helping thousands of traders all around the world. You can take the full advantage of it to learn and grow as a trader from the channel. and also join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for all the promotions, and all the educational posters and everything is there. That will be definitely helpful to you. Okay, so here is expecting it to drop back to this support TP target at 2310.53. This is the second trade. Okay, here I expected it to break below, so the imbalance in both sides. So guys, you put a proper stop loss and also do proper risk management is the key. So from this support, that's consolidating here. Wanted to see that it's breaking below, so we see a bit of rejection coming, which is needed. Now I will be also letting you know what I'm doing in that zone, how I'm managing the trade. The possibility to come down is expecting is to drop and fill that imbalance, which you see there. Come on, why you are trying to bounce in that area, which is a bit of okay. So it's finding the imbalance to the upside. Okay, so it's kind of structure it is forming. You just feel that imbalance and put with that trade. So we might see continuation. We are stopped out. It just manipulated completely here and then has got a rejection. So yeah, Gbpusd has broken out of that level. Gold has just did that manipulation, so you're out with the trade. So it might just keep pushing high, or the way the price is forming, we might see that the continuation of uptrend. So if we keep pushing, keep looking for uptrending, the bullish trade in that zone. So if you look at here, it formed a very important support here now. So the trend is very aggressive to the upside. We try to catch the reversal, but it's just continuing to the upside after multiple manipulation here. So we will be waiting to see for another entry. So 15 minutes. It's a big manipulation here. So we might see now the price is going back up to 2320 level. We might see that the price is going back to 2320 level. Okay, so patience is the key. We need to wait for another potential entry. If the trend is up, we might see that it's just moving in that direction of the major trend. So this is the previous resistance has broken, and with this previous resistance is broken, we will be looking for why you are doing so many messages. Okay, so gold, we have seen that it just manipulated and then has got a rejection. So basically it's now trending after grabbing multiple liquidity. It's just bouncing off that level. And at the moment, the way the price is forming, which is basically still bullish, and I think that it just keep pushing high to create a new higher high. We might see that bullish continuation pattern. And we look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so there is a probability for the price to keep pushing high. So this is a resistance level. It's a very strong liquidity candle formation. Okay, traders, so here it formed a very strong liquidity candle on the 15-minute chart. So I will be looking to open another buy here, stop loss below this level, and I think the market might keep trending to the upside. We'll be targeting 221. Make sure you do proper risk management, and we'll keep this trade holding even when I am not on live. So you must do the risk management. It's very important, and always trade with the trend and with proper risk management is the key. So TP target on this trade is at 2326.70. Stop loss will be below this level, below this 2312. So it managed to trend to the upside, and I will be holding the trade for a bit of longer period so that it covers our previous trade plus profit, but with proper risk management, because anything can happen. We see multiple liquidity grab and expecting it to keep pushing high. So this is a bullish trade. Now here you can see the market made multiple liquidity trigger, expecting gold to trend in that direction. I think we might see now a trend, and breaking this high is first thing, it might break that high. After breaking that high, it might come down for a pullback. So at 2320 level, we may be able to take partial profit and moving the stop loss at entry. If you are joining the free Telegram channel, I might post an update, as it is a YouTube live trade. So make sure you join the free Telegram channel. And this is a okay, so we see a bit of upside here. I would like to see that gold has gone up and then has given us that profit. I think it might just keep pushing high, as the trend we see on gold is significantly bullish. So you see a bit of upside here. Now that this is how it is, when it doesn't work, we the previous trade only 14 pip gone, but it's now going up again to our profit, to the direction of the profit, and we want to take this. So that's why risk management is very important. So that when you are, the trade is not going in your favor, you are not losing, but when it is going in your favor, you can have a good return on it. If that guys, you're enjoying the live session. Okay, so the way the market has formed, uh, possible for bullish continuation. We see a bit of pullback here. So this 5 minutes candle close is very important. You want to see that this one is closing a little bit of bullish, at least a long wick candle. Okay, here we wanna see that it's bouncing, and then if it is bouncing off, then we should be able to secure some good profit on that. Okay, we see good move. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm now more than my previous trade. We see bullish momentum. I'm still holding. I wanna secure a good profit on this trade. Boom, big move. I'll let you know when I'm closing profit. We see a good move here. We see bounce. Boom, I'm closing my profit now. More than 2%. Okay. Now you see, guys, how I trade. And for those who said, what did he say? So what, you are over trading? I'm done with the profit. You are very erratic. So now, Sumaya, you understand what trading is? See, if you, one thing you need to understand is that there is a lot of miseducation in trading. Okay, you are told that, okay, don't over trade, and now you stop even trading. When the market is giving, you need to take it. I don't deviate from discipline. You want to see my P&L that I open? Okay, let me bring that up so that you know that exactly I'm not deviating from my discipline. Okay, I open in a smaller account so that I can maintain my trades. Let me bring that up. Okay, you see the figure that I have just opened. The first trade on gold was when the market was dropping. The one that we closed, we had a sell minus $18. But this one has given me more than double. All right, and see the overall, I'm in good profit. This is a smaller account. I want to grow it to bigger account. Now today alone I have opened 1 2 3 trades. All right, guys. So it's important that you always know exactly how to manage the risk. Because if you don't know how to manage the risk, then it's not gonna work out, right? And also another important thing is that, look, you can open 5 trades with 0.25% risk, or maybe 10, because the trade that you have seen, all of them I took only 0.25% risk. Now if you can open 10 trades with 0.25% risk, not over trading, with proper risk management, with a stop loss and with proper entry and take profit target. At the same time, you can trade in a week 1 trade, but that can blow your account. That's over trading. 1 trade can be over trading. Let's say you open 1 trade in a week, but you open 10 lot, 20 lot without a big or risk management, big stop loss. That 1 trade is enough for you to ruin your trading account, right? So it's not about the number of trade only. It's also about your risk management, how much you are risking. It's also about the trade management. Let's say you open a trade with 0.25% risk and you are directionally incorrect. and you stopped out. But when you are directionally correct, you hold it for bigger than you lost, and you took more than what you lost. So basically you gain profit in your account. Your account is growing. That's the real trading psychology. Okay, so make sure you learn proper way, and that's why it's important that you learn from the right source, right? I know that I'm not telling you guys are telling the thing is that I know that the information is not available. Okay, the right information is not available for you. Okay, so that's why I try to give everything that I have. I don't keep anything with me, because the only way to get is by giving. So always keep in mind that learn, grow, change everything. Okay, so always try something new, open your mind and take new information and grow. All right, guys, so hope that you are enjoying the live session. Give a thumbs up if you are enjoying. Thank you very much. Thank you, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this live session. Make sure always control your greed. Okay, control your greed. That's the key. When coach is opening a trade, it doesn't mean that it will go to profit target. The only thing that I can assure you is that over the long time, I am profitable. So if you are doing risk management with me, then you are also profitable. Now, I do open more often trade by market. So if it is a bit difficult for you to maintain that risk, then probably you can open fixed lot based on your account size. So that's how you are not risking big. You understand? For example, first open a fixed lot, and if you see that the stop loss is tight, maybe you can add another position. So always stay in a lower spectrum. Let's say your account size is $1,000 or $2,000. Maybe you can start with 0.01 lot or 0.02 lot when I'm opening, and then if you see the stop loss is smaller, then maybe add another 0.01 lot, put the stop loss in the same place. So that's how you can maintain that risk management. It's very important. I hope that making sense to you. If you are understanding it, make sure you give a thumbs up here, subscribe to the channel, stick to the channel. Here is the real trading education and everything here, including all the trade that I open. Also, I do share all my trade in the VIP community, in the VIP Telegram channel. If you want to be if you want to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy, also learn the strategy that I am trading, being part of the trading community, also you can join us today. You can find link below this video in the description. Couple of spots available to take on the mentorship program. Don't miss out this opportunity to be part of the trading community, where you can learn, you can access all my trading tools, including all my strategies, as well as all the trading tools, such as this liquidity indicator currently available for the VIP members who are trading with us in the academy. It's a great tool that I use to trade with the trend to find the best trade possible in the market. And also you can access the VIP chat group today if you are joining here. So you can find link below this video. And with that said, guys, it was a great session again with all of you. And there is another session coming, just NY session. I would recommend you to join there also. In just a couple of hours, I'll be coming on live again and to trade the market again, to see how the market is doing. And before I leave, if you want to join our recommended broker, you can find link below this video in the description, and also I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can click register, and then you can start trading. Thank you, and I'll see you soon, guys.